Magandang hapon po. Ito, patapos ko na yung compilation of jurisprudence penned by the 2026 Bar Chairman, Associate Justice Samuel H. Garland. Based sa aking research, around 227 cases ang kanyang na-pen since he became an Associate Justice. Ito yung aking template. May image. Every cases may image. Merong facts of the case, the issue of the case, the ruling of the Supreme Court. Nandyan na rin yung dispositive portion para mabasa nyo. I also added thought-provoking question para may steer up yung inyong thought para mas maalala nyo siya. And then I also added key doctrines. I also added the ask questions para mas madali nyong maalala. So every case is at least 3 pages. So malapit ko na po siyang i-publish. It will appear in soft copy, meron ding paperback. Mas mahal po yung paperback compared sa soft copy lang.